by little, piece by piece, I take back what's been stolen from me. Little by little, piece by piece.
Welcome to our Dream in the Woods. Today is an exciting day. We're gonna put up the back wall, which I already put up one post. So it comprises 3 more posts and then 3 beams to get that back wall up. And this is for the sawmill cover or shed, and then onto the front wall rafters, getting there. So good to be in construction phase for sure. Remember to hit like and subscribe if you like this video. Helps the channel grow, and let's get to it.
Little by little, piece by piece, I take back what's been stolen from me. Little by little, piece by piece, until I'm complete. No, you wouldn't take what's not yours, if you know who I am. When the night will fall, I'll haunt your dream. Little by little, piece by piece, I take.
Got a little more meat to it. Yeah.
Your way, probably.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Whew. Nice.
That end. Yeah, there.
Okay. Swing inside. I'm looking at this big grub that came out of that tree as we were pounding on it.
Beam now.
Post. We got in pretty quick order all 3 up. Looks like that one's kind of crooked, so
That's a loose one.
that's kind of a loose one, yeah. The bracket's not quite center on there, but we'll brace that up and it'll be fine. So, doing good. I don't know about the pounder. Got my dad and his friend John out here helping me today. So we'll brace these. Next project is to brace these up.
I can't help myself. Little by little, piece by piece, I take back what's been stolen from me. Little by little, piece by piece, until I'm complete.
Just square up the ends.
Oh, that end looks pretty close.
It's pretty good.
take was not yours. If you know who I am, when the night will fall, I'll haunt.
First beam, raring to go. That good?
Little by little, piece by piece, I take back what's been stolen from me. Little by little, piece by piece, until I'm complete. Got my eyes on you, and you got no clue what I'm supposed to do. I can't help myself. Little by little, piece by piece, I take back what's been stolen from me.
Good success. I got that first beam up, the center one. It's cut the length. It's secure, so now we'll probably work on either side, probably this left side. It's a little shorter, and we're leaving the beams long on the ends. I want a 2-foot overhang, but I'm worried about the roof being square, so we're actually going to leave the beams long, square it, then cut them when they're up there. So it's going good.
Little by little, piece by piece, I take back what's been stolen from me. Little by little, piece by piece, until I'm complete.
How am I here?
Got my eyes on you, and you got no clue what I'm supposed to do. I can't help myself. Little by little, piece by piece, I take back what's been stolen from me. Little by little, piece by piece, until I'm complete. No, you wouldn't take was not yours. If you know who I am, when the night will fall, I'll haunt your dream.
Well, good success with getting that back wall up today. Very thankful for John and my dad's help getting that up. So went pretty smooth. Learned a lot. The front wall should be a lot easier. But that's going to do it for today's video. I appreciate you watching. And next up, that front wall, then rafters, it's coming along. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel. It helps everything grow. And thanks for watching.